Tonight at 6, questions raised over using Marsy's law to protect law enforcement officers. A law passed by voters 3 years ago to protect victims of crime when it comes to things like their privacy and being treated fairly. The First District Court of Appeals says Marsy's law is extended to every crime victim, including officers while on the job. Thanks for staying with us. I'm Ava Van Valen.
And I'm Channing Frampton. Local groups are pushing back now, saying they don't believe that should be the case. Tonight, ABC 27's Jada Williams takes a look at why.
Under Florida's Marsy's law, anyone who is a victim of a crime can choose to have their identity protected. While that might be the law, the First Amendment Foundation does not believe that should apply to law enforcement officers.
If they've used force before, that information can be withheld. And if there's any complaints and any investigations that have come out and it's determined that the police officer is considered a victim, the public has no way of knowing that.
The First District Court of Appeals in Leon County sided with the Big Bend Police Benevolent Association Tuesday. The law enforcement officers are protected under the law. It comes following a move by the city to release officers' names in 3 deadly officer-involved shootings. In March, ABC 27 spoke with TPD Chief Lawrence Revel about the law before Tuesday's decision was made.
I do believe police officers are people, and I do believe they deserve the same protections that every other citizen gets.
The First Amendment Foundation is an intervener on the case, siding with the city of Tallahassee that it goes against public record standards to withhold that information.
There are already public records exemptions for law enforcement officers.
Virginia Hamrick is an attorney for the foundation. She's referring to Florida Statute 119. Under it, law enforcement and their families' photos, phone numbers, and addresses are exempt from public record. The Big Bend Police Benevolent Association says officers needed the additional protection after they were threatened following those shootings last year. In Tallahassee, Jada Williams, ABC 27.
Now, attorneys for the city of Tallahassee and the First Amendment Foundation say they're still deciding if they will take this case to the Florida Supreme Court. We also reached out to Marsy's Law for Florida about Tuesday's decision. In a statement, they said, quote, "The First District Court of Appeals has made its ruling and we respect the will of the court."